Are there any limits of science? Yes, I think there are many limits. There are many practical limits where we think we don't have enough information, or we can't do enough the predictions. The computers are not fast enough, or other practical kinds of things. But there are also certain more fundamental types of boundaries. I think one is in the reaches of explanation. Natural scientific explanations always explain the present on the basis of some earlier condition. So if you want to explain the weather today, you have to know the weather, how it was yesterday or the day before, and then you can understand it. And so the more philosophical question of why is there anything at all is not one that science can answer, because you always start with an earlier condition. And this is the question: why is there this earlier condition? And then it moves. It's like moving in a horizon, having a horizon. You can approach the horizon, but then there's a new one where you don't know what will be on the other side. You can explain, but the explanation itself raises further questions. And I think another type of boundary is more about values, so judgments of beauty, but also of moral value, of good and evil. I think you can understand human behavior, and still you can raise the question, well, is this evil or is this good? And that's not a question that the scientist, as a scientist, answers. I mean, as a person may have all kinds of opinions on it, but that brings in a much broader human perspective than science itself does.